Hello guys, my name is Josh Chitis and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a vlogging channel about exploring and showing different and new interests, going traveling, working on cars, going on hikes, going to festival shows and concerts. I hope this interests you, and if so, please consider subscribing and join me on living life to the fullest. Follow me on Instagram at Josh Chitis for even more.
Guten Morgen! No, kidding. Guten Abend. It's not morning anymore, man.
In today's video, we are installing a COBB Charge Pipe, COBB Turbo Inlet, and a Boomba bypass valve. Shaun is already on a couple of mods, and he's using the COBB access port with an OTS tune. From his research, these mods are safe and will not require a custom tune. That is always the best option, but for now, he is happy with the OTS tune. Make all the cool noises.
I know, right?
Be the coolest kid on the block.
And
Damn.
Grimmspeed, boom, turbo inlet.
She pretty.
Right? Should be. Little baby turbo.
There's a WRX turbo inlet.
I'm gonna grab some water. Do you want anything?
Yeah. Here's the headers.
Oh man. Is it this way? You can even see some of the residue in there too.
Yeah.
These things are, that's the reason why I want to change it out. These things are notorious for residue. And see how tight this thing is?
Yeah.
This thing, look, see, boost leak, crack right there.
Boom.
It's probably why I have been dropping dam every now and then too. Probably a good reason.
See? You know, the fun parts are doing good things. See? It was responsible.
Doing good things.
This is a responsible thing to do.
Responsibles.
Yeah. You have to transfer that over, right?
Yeah. Yeah, there's two of them. So there's this one, and then you see how that one has that right there. Transfer that one over. Only thing is, they say you have to take this one and cut this piece right here.
Oh, the little overhang thing?
Yeah.
The little nipple guy?
Yeah, the little nipples. Not too hard.
Never mind.
Psych! They supplied us with one. Yeah.
Dang, it's plastic.
So if we follow how this goes, you got the BPV right here. Alright, so then the pipe goes up through there. Okay, I think we got this. So, we're trying to recreate this.
Looks like you need that. Status update. We're trying to tighten up the hose to the turbo, right? But we can't, so we're gonna take off the fan because it's easier.
See, now I can get that bolt
Now
right
we
there.
can tighten up the bolt on the right. Ooh. Careful. We had to cut off this piece because we felt like it was too long. After we were trying to jam it in, it didn't work.
Yeah, they do say that it is a good idea to cut it if it's not to length. So if you look at both of these, they're the same length now. Yep. So should be good.
Boom. See, bigger nut is always not better.
Word dog.
Sometimes smaller is better.
There we go.
Damn. They never did that before, right?
I did not.
I thought you said your car wasn't cool enough. See? Let's do it. Can hear a lot of flutter.
Very nice. I like it. Well, no check engine light. No dropping of dam. No fucking find knock learn. So
Happy man, happy purchase.
happy man, happy purchase.
Damn.
Very nice. I like.
It's a beautiful thing.
Beautiful.